So I'm upgrading my Street Glide with heated grips, and I've been having a ton of trouble trying to find the wire that plugs power in. I purchased these from Harley online, the Kahuna heated grips, and I did eventually find the wire. So if you look at your triple clamp up here, basically, you look on the left side where your turn signal, your front turn signal plugs into, which is on the side. This plug here, if you look inside there, there's also another black cable that runs down inside there. And see if I can get a good picture here. So there's two cables down in here. The bottom one actually has the, I don't know if you can see it very good, but underneath that, right there, there's the plug for the power for the heated grips. It's on the left side, just inside this metal bracket that clamps onto the side of your forks. So it looks like it comes out on this side. Got that black plug and that black cable. There's two cables that come out. It's the bottom one. Let me see if I can get a good picture of the end of the plug here for you. Yeah, it's not easy to dig out there, but yep, there it is. Yeah, it took me forever to find this, so good luck.